She believed it takes a big heart to shape little minds. Teaching kids to count is fine, but teaching them what counts is best. The great mentors warmly welcome Ms. Shilpa G. Hiwale, head mistress at ICP Goenka International School, Thane. She belongs to a family of educationists and was surrounded by the world of education throughout her childhood. She always liked to take new initiatives and execute them. She firmly believes that education prepares our students for life, so teaching and learning has to go beyond the textbooks. It has always been her endeavor to give that platform and exposure to all students. She is always thrilled to do something new and something different, whether it is teaching or managing school events. This provides a plethora of opportunities to students to mold their personalities. With support from higher authorities, she was able to initiate, plan and implement successfully different programs like Dear Everything and Read, Circle Time, Model United Nations, Moon, School Festival, integration and collaboration with schools outside India. She is awarded with many prestigious awards. The first certificate awarded to her, the Most Cooperative Teacher, in 2011, received ISA Coordinator Certificate from British Council 2014 to 2017. Best Teacher Award received from All India Citizen Development Centre.